Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, it's by a brand called Boyata. And pretty much what this is an adjustable laptop stand that you can use, obviously, to adjust how you guys want to put your laptop. But first thing first, let me actually unbox it and show you guys what the product looks like first and what comes out of the package itself. So basically, when you guys first open the package itself, you guys can see that this is basically what you guys get inside. You guys can see throughout the product, they have a bunch of anti-slip or gripping material right here to help you guys prevent it from moving around or sliding around if you guys put your laptop in here. And then same thing for the bottom, you guys can see there's 4 of them here, so that way it prevents it from moving around or lose its balance or whatever. And then you guys can look from this angle, you guys can see that you guys can actually pull it up and down. So pretty much when you guys open up the product itself, this is kind of what it looks like. You guys can actually adjust it how you guys want to. They have the little logo right here. You guys have a space right here so you can actually put stuff on here if you guys want to, but you guys can tilt this basically on any angle you guys want to. So you guys want to push it down, just push it down like this. And then if you guys want to push this part up or down, you guys can as well. So push it down like this, and then push it back up like this. And then that's basically how you guys use it. So you guys probably have to use a lot of strength to push this up and down, but that's definitely a good thing, not a bad thing. And the reason why it's a good thing is the fact that that's how you guys know that the product itself is sturdy, because if it's too loose and you guys put your laptop on here, then it'll just simply fall off. And it's always nice to have one of these so that way it helps you guys fix your posture. So instead of always looking down on like the screen itself, this will actually help your posture a little bit, so it kind of reminds you and forces you to look straight up instead of looking straight down. So let me actually go through a quick test to show you guys what it looks like and how well the balance of the laptop is on this product itself, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the laptop stand you can see by Boyata, and basically this is what it looks like when you guys have the whole laptop all set up. Really easy to use and everything. In terms of the support of the product, you can see that it supports laptop. If you guys want to put some more weight on it, you guys can. It says they can support up to 17 inch, but you guys can see the 16 inch, and that's how much room it used already from the laptop, you guys can see. But just to show you guys how strong the laptop stand is, right now we have the laptop on here, but let's just push it down to show you guys how much it can support. So right now I'm kind of pushing it down with a lot of force, and it's not really moving down. Unless if I really push it down, you guys can see that moving. But basically you guys can see that it actually does support a lot of weight on here. If I push it at a certain angle, it just goes down really easily. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test, I probably can see that actually does work, and it actually works quite well. So in terms of the length, I didn't mention about it earlier, but you guys can actually fit a laptop up to 17 inch on here. One thing that I actually really like about this product is the fact that if you guys look in the middle, they have a big gap or big hole right here. And the reason for this is so that way the laptop itself has a place for it to ventilate the product, so that way it doesn't overheat the laptop. But if I saw in the video, you guys can see that it actually supports a lot of weight on it, so that's pretty cool. And probably one of the coolest things about this laptop stand itself is the fact that it has multiple colors option on there. So this option, which is silver, they also have a rose gold option, and then they also have a space gray option. So you guys have 3 different color options depending on what you guys want. So now that we did a quick unboxing, testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have a tendency to like slouch or have bad posture, then this is definitely worth it in those cases. But if you guys don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have